Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my journal, which is Wild Florals, and it is for the week of the 8th through the 14th. So it is Valentine's week and my spread is going to reflect that. I am going to be kind of throwing stickers down all over the place as I just journal in here. So it's not like I kind of designate spots because I never know what's going to happen, and if I need more room I always can attach a page, so no big deal. I am using the teacher one with all of the kind of big, I'm not sure if they're cupcakes or ginormous chocolates, but that's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to kind of alternate cupcake and a heart and a cupcake on the bottom. And I think that's gonna look super cute. Like I said, it is Valentine's Day after all. The spread is just going to be kind of a little bit of everything, and I don't mind that because like I said, when I journal, my brain is all over the place. I'm not sure if you guys have the same sensations, but that's kind of how my brain works. I just throw under whatever. I stop mid-sentence, I start another thought, so it just depends what my days are like. While I do this, I wanted to say thank you. If you are already subscribed to my channel, I appreciate you so much, and if you are new and you're just visiting, please consider subscribing. I would truly love to have you here as part of my channel. Okay, so as you can see, I'm putting down washi, and as always, because it's me, it is crooked, but we're gonna fix it in just 1 second, hopefully, right? And we'll go from there. Do you guys have plans for Valentine's Day this year? If you do, let me know down below what it is. I'm super curious. I mean, there's still limitations of what we can do due to COVID, but I think the world is starting to look a bit more normal. Only a year since the pandemic, right? Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna put that back, and I don't want it to get stuck anywhere, so I really like this washi. I think it's so like whimsical and happy. I want to do the same thing on the other side, so I'm going to take this long strip and then trim it down to size on that side. How lovely is that? I know that those books are meant for the big happy planners, so the stuff doesn't normally fit as ideally as it does with the other sticker books, but I don't mind it. You can always trim it down, you can always figure out how to kind of do this. And of course, love, because it's Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna stick this on right over my notes section. I think I have to put a whiteout on top of this because it is showing through. I thought it will be dark enough to kind of cover it, but it's not, and I'm not willing to look at all of that showing through that sticker. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover up as much as I can. Yes, I know that's a lot of correction tape. Oh well. It's okay. Look how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh. I love it. I really, really love it. Okay, and I'm gonna put another XOXO because who doesn't want hugs and kisses on Valentine's Day? I sure do. Okay, and I'm lifting some smaller pieces to add throughout the spread. I think that's gonna add a little bit of pop of color and functionality as well, because then that can be like a start of a new top for me. And these exclamation points are so adorable in all the colors of Valentine's. One more. Let's put that on Saturday, like so. I think that works. Beautiful. Now, I don't know. What else can we use in here? That's summer. That's summer. That's, oh, how lovely this is. I forget how much I like the teacher books that are kind of seasonal. And I want to add maybe some more flowers to offset that big heart of florals. So let's take a look if I could do that. Maybe the Recollection Floral sticker book. I love that book. I've been using it constantly and I am obsessed. And they came up with such a beautiful book. And I'm gonna add those circles with pink florals. I think that's going to match. And because it's a little bit of a marble effect, it tones it down and comes it a little bit. Look how beautiful that looks. So I'm gonna add a couple more, and I think that's gonna allow me to like write a focus of the day or like one thing that is going on or frustrating me. Because lately I've been nothing but frustrated, but this hobby is keeping me so cool, calm, and collected. I can't even express that enough. How pretty this is, and I can't really use it because it doesn't match anything, and I wish I could, but next spread I'm sure I will. So we can add cheers. Cheers to you. That's kind of appropriate. Look how pretty. And I love like the subtle gold foil detailing around the rim of the circle. I'm just gonna throw it down. The sticker makes me happy. I'm gonna use it because who knows, right? And again, this is my journal, so it's not like I'm putting plans or stuff. I sit down every morning and I journal in here, and it brings me a lot of joy to be able to do that, to just write down everything that happened the day before, and all of my frustrations and hopes and dreams go on here. It's a lot of circles, but I actually don't hate it. It's a little bit different. But it's not bad at all. Okay, and I think I'm gonna add just a couple flowers to offset everything else, and that will be it. I think that's looking pretty great. Let me know down below what you guys think. Of course, as always, I love your opinions, and I look forward to all the comments that I get. I really enjoy it. So if you have a minute while you're watching this or after you're watching this, just write me a little something down there. I really love all of your messages. They encourage me and inspire me and keep me going. Okay, so this is the last flower that's going on here. And I think that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think. I know it's a little scattered and busy, but once I write in it, it will look completely different. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you for another plan with me very soon. Thank you. Bye.